Determine the characteristics of the common logarithm 0.0235. This video I am going to solve these three math given P and Q. So let's get started. So first question, we have to determine the common logarithm of 0.0235. So these kinds of thing we have to prove two ways. First one, we can make this one scientific notation. It means here is 0 and 2, we can write 2 times 3 5 times 10 to the power. We use these two after decimal to before decimal, so that's why it will be minus 2. And here the common logarithm log will be minus 2. It means this one. Or another way, second method, here is 0.0235. we know the rule, which is minus n plus 1. Here is minus, so what is 1? 1 is here how many numbers or how many 0 after decimal. So this is decimal and here is 0. So here n equals to 1. So as per law, n 1 plus 1 equals to minus 2. This is only once this number is less than 1. It's should when the number is less than 1. So number 1 done. Number 2, here is show that p equals to 13 to the power minus 2. So given p equals to 13 to the power m plus 1, and here is 13 to the power m and times m minus 1, divide 169 to the power m plus 1, divide 13 to the power m minus 1 times m plus 1. So we are trying to solve this one step by step. First, this is 13 to the power m plus 1, and here this 13 m times m minus 1, we can write m square minus m, divide 169 is a perfect square, so it will be 13 square, and here is m plus 1, and this one 13. So we know a to the power b to the power c, it means a to the power b times c. So this is m minus 1 and m plus 1, so it will be m square minus 1, right? Next, so here base are same. This case power will be subtract because this is division. So we can write this one 13 to the power m plus 1 minus m square minus m, and here is division sign. And this one also same thing, but we can write a line like 13 to the power 2m plus 2 divide 13 m square minus 1, right? Next, here look, we made a mistake, it will be plus because here is a minus sign. So here is 13 m plus 2m, it will be m plus m, it will be m plus m, it means 2m. Here is plus 1 minus m square divide 13 2m plus 2 minus m square plus 1. Now, so this is 13 and 13 and division sign, so power will be subtract. It means 13 2m plus 1 minus m square. Here is minus 2m plus 2 and plus 1, it means plus 3, it will be minus 3, and here is plus m square. Now look, minus 2m plus 2m out, minus m square plus m square out, and finally here is a plus 1 and here is a minus 3. So we will get 13 minus 2. Now look at our question. Here we have to show that p equals to 13 to the power minus 3. So we can write short. It means this is right hand side. So number 2, 1 and 2 both done. Number 3, solve for x if q equals to 2. So we can write number 3 here, q equals to 2, but in question also given q equals to log 3 base x square minus 5x plus 3 equals to, here is 2. So we can write given. Now it's a very interesting thing. We know a law like log m base x equals to suppose a. This case we can write this is x and base will be same m and power will be a. Similar thing here, this is x. So we can write this one x square minus 5x plus 3 equal, this is m and this is m, right? So 3 and base, and here is equals to 2, this one is 2, it means this is a. So 3 square. Now x square minus 5x plus 3 equals to 3 square means 9. Then x square minus 5x plus 3 minus 9 equals to 0. So we can write x square minus 5x minus 6 equals to 0. So from here lots of people are doing mistake because 3 plus 2 is a 5 and 3 times 2 also 6. Same thing, 6 times 1 is 6 and 6 minus 1 is 5. So which one we will get? Look, this is 6, 1 times 6 and 2 times 3, both are 6. So this case we will use this one. It means x square minus 6x plus 1 minus 1 means 1x, it means x 6 equals to 0. Right, now we can take common x, so here is a x minus 6, we can take common plus 1, so here is also x minus 6 equals to 0. Now here is x minus 6, x minus 6, and here is x plus 1 equals to 0, right? Finally we can write So, or we can write like either x minus 6 equals to 0, that means x equals to 6, or we can write x plus 1 equals to 0, so x equals to minus 1. So our answer, x equals to minus 1 or 6. Very simple. So these three questions is very important. You cannot neglect these kinds of question. You have to solve first yourself. If you face any problem, you can watch my video. But my request, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends and family. Thank you.